it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And today I'm going to break down the difference and the advantage to owning a franchise versus starting a business from scratch. Now, a lot of folks, the first thing they say to me when I tell them our franchise fee is $25,000 is they say, hell, I could start my own business for much less. Allegedly. Okay? Now, what I can tell you is this. When Nexus started, we opened 7 years ago, 2013. Our CEO, Nick Dagnillo, put the entire startup cost on his credit card. Everything. He went all in on the business, and it was $30,000 just to get started, just to get right over that hump where we could open that door and say, we are open, we are Nexus. Now that $30,000 did not give us any systems. It did not give us any proprietary software. It did not give us advertising. It did not give us brand recognition. It did not give us a Google presence. It did not populate us in any search results. It just got us open. Open with a chance. And when you open a business, that's exactly what you're doing. You're going all in with your life savings for a maybe. For a, I think I can do it. I might get by. I might make this happen. And the whole time, you're squeezed. You're tight. You don't know. Are you going to make it? Are you going to be able to compete with your competitors who are lean and mean and have systems in place and all types of software and presence and brand management and a staff and support systems behind them? It's very difficult. So when you purchase a franchise, not just a Nexus franchise, but any franchise, you're getting the ball. And all you got to do is go to the goal. Whether you're a soccer person, a basketball person, a football person, imagine what your favorite sport is. You're lining up, the play starts, and you get past the ball. And all you got to do is shoot on an empty net or an empty goal line, whatever metaphor you want to use. That's what a franchise is. When you're starting from scratch, you don't even have the right equipment. You're not conditioned. You're not trained. You have no coach. Heck, I don't even know if you'll be able to get to the game. That's what we do for you. We support you. We train you. We give you the tools, the advertising, the software, all of these things that you will need so you don't have to spend time figuring out the best ways to do things, the best software to use, the best way to advertise and spend your advertising dollars. We cover that. So all you have to do is manage property. Now, what's better than that? You don't have to worry about any of the other things that small businesses constantly go to sleep thinking about. I got to go to this marketing meeting tomorrow. Oh yeah, I got to build the web page. Constantly thinking and doing things that are not the business. That's what small business is. Spending time on things not your business. But when you have a franchise, you manage property. We deal with the back of the house. We deal with all the things behind the curtain. You're up front and center, making money, building your wealth, building your future, employing people, giving them careers with purpose. That's what you're doing. So to those folks who say with $25,000 they could start their own business and be in the same spot that we are today, I don't believe you, because it's extremely difficult, nearly impossible. Over 90% of small businesses will fail. Will, underlined. It's no joke, and it's very tough out there, especially in the situation that we're in now. Okay, it's very troubling times, very difficult to get access to capital or to get a chance or to find a place to lease or to establish a customer base or even meet in a group. All these things that were once very readily available and possible for us are no longer there. So if you're starting a business now, my point is, it's much more difficult than it was before. So you're better off looking towards a franchise, somebody that will support you and be there for you forever. Once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.